Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Friday. So now, actually, we're starting a new beginning, guys. You can see on the screen, those are my new services. So yeah, those services actually they will be starting from today. So we no longer are going lower like that because the experience is there. So I know that we actually going to give you some great service, as I'm always giving some very nice and experienced services. So besides that, let's see what's really happening on the market. So you can just WhatsApp me or Telegram me, right? So we did smash actually USD CHF yesterday. This signal was sent actually in the group. You can see the signal was sent in the group. Very nice. And even though we did not actually smash the TP, but you can see that we did actually make some very nice profits. So besides this, I still expect the market to actually push higher because I believe that the US is going to, or let's say FOMC, they're still going to increase the rates. As we are on Wednesday, they're going to be interest rates. Actually, I'm expecting maybe 25 basis points to be hiked, actually, or to hike the interest rates, and that will actually boost the dollar. And when we check the structure, we can easily see that yes, the market was pushing lower, but aggressively the market did what? The market started to push even lower. So there is, you see how the market pushed lower there. There is enough room for that reversal actually, and I think that is going to happen. If you still remember, I said some of the signals that I was sending yesterday, I said they should actually, if possible, on them or on their side, they actually supposed to do what? To hold longer. That's why if maybe you join our unlimited services, you're going to also get swing trades, the trades that we're going to start to hold like for a week, 2 weeks, or even a month. Yes. The price is 699, guys. The price is 699. So if you can afford that, or if you afford that, just let me know. If you can afford that, yeah, maybe you can go for a monthly, because guys, we actually go in cheaper, like for $30 or something. People make that within one signal. So actually we were just offering free service. I hope you understand. So what's really happening here is we are on US oil. What's really happening on US oil? We can easily see that yes, the market is still on this downtrend, but the market actually reached an area that we can say yes, we are actually on our resistance area again. Yes, we are on a downtrend. So when we zoom closer, let me just do this as an auto. When we zoom closer, you can see that yes, the market is actually on this resistance area, and it seems like the market is struggling to break. If it doesn't really break that, obviously one way or another, we're going to have a very nice sell pending order going down. We know that oil can be like seriously aggressive, quite similar to US, sort of to gold. So yeah, I'm expecting the market to respect that and start to push lower. If not, it means we're going to see the market breaking out and starting to push the upside. But that we will see when the market breaks. But for now, it shows that the market is struggling to break that area, which means we might see the market going down. Anyways, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So let's see. Another signal that I have sent in the group, another signal that I have sent yesterday in the group, it's actually EURUSD. So before we go there, you can easily see that yes, the market, even now, the market is still actually respecting our uptrend. The market is actually uptrending. You can see here the market was crazy aggressive. So the market started to do what? Slowly is now pushing lower and lower. Yes, I believe the market will actually reach around these areas, around there. So, and you know what? I did send a sell pending order. You can see that we had a sell pending order. I hope my people are still holding, or maybe they are out. You can see the sell pending order was sent after this breakout. And then we see that the market is doing what? Now it's going down, which is great because that is profit, which is very great for on this Euro USD. Actually, I don't think maybe we have much, because what we see here is we have a support, but which is very very lower. So which means we still have enough room for the market to go lower. We still have enough room for the market to go lower. I'm expecting to hold to open another trade, actually to hold up to this point, actually until Wednesday, next week Wednesday, because I believe that the dollar is still going to get stronger and stronger. I hope you see what I'm talking about. So when we do the analysis, actually I like to mix that with fundamentals, because you will actually have a better understanding of what's really happening. So now we are on GBPUSD. GBPUSD. What's really happening on GBPUSD? Yes, even GBPUSD is actually giving us some sell structure, but actually, if we go back, you can easily see that yes, the market was actually aggressively pushing to the upside. And where we are now, I can say, or I can easily say, you know what? It shows that the market is actually reaching this point of a resistance. It was a resistance before, but now it's actually our potential support. And the market might respect this area and start to push the upside. If not, we have another support, diagonal support area here, which we think maybe the market can respect that. If not, it seems like the market will be breaking that area, and we also have a lower support there. You can go back and check my previous analysis. You will see what I'm talking about. You will see that I think the market will still actually give us some very nice sell. But if maybe you are afraid to take this one, I think you can take maybe the one on Euro USD, or maybe wait for a breakout here. But the thing is, the support is very, very close. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So let's go to the next one, which is EURJPY. Whoa. EURJPY, what's really happening? Still, the market is actually on a very nice uptrend. You can see that. We missed this that move. The market is actually on an uptrend. We actually drawn this support area a few days. It's maybe weeks, or actually month ago, maybe 2 months ago. You see, so I can see April around this year. I can see May around this area. So which means it's been here. This uptrend has been actually pushing to the upside, which makes euro very stronger. So yes, it did try actually to reverse, but guess what? The market is continuing pushing to the upside. Maybe there is some economic news which I did not actually check. It shows that the market respected this support area, but now it's flying again, which means it's a continuation of this uptrend. But anyways, since we actually, okay, yeah, there's something happening actually. We'll have to check that and see if maybe we have any sort of economic news. GBPJPY is still doing the same thing, actually still pushing to the upside. We can easily see that yes, the market is actually on an uptrend. Where the way the market was actually a few days ago, or even early in the morning, we can easily see that we had this support area, and I also had this diagonal structure there, a resistance there, and it seems like the market just broke out of that. So that is something that we also have to check. I think maybe I need to remove this, because now, not actually now, even previously we had this resistance and support. So the market might just play around before continuing pushing into the upside. So yes, it shows that the GBP is actually weaker against Britain. So, but we'll have to check if maybe there is something happening. We have to check if there is something happening. Whoa, okay. Now we are actually on gold. What's really happening? I think I had to take this one. It seems like gold is now reversing, but what's really happening is, I've been repeating about this uptrend is still pushing to the upside. As long as the market is still moving above this area, we can easily see that we are actually on an uptrend. So our job is to make sure we get the right entries at the right time. So what I see here is the market is actually breaking out, but if you can check, we have a very nice structure. So don't just jump on a sell. The reason behind that is we have our previous structure, our previous resistance around this area. So we have to make sure that we have this resistance pushing to the right side. If the market breaks that, then we're going to say, okay, that it's a perfect sell, then we're going to jump on that sell. Or maybe the market might be just adjusting, the market might push up again. So yesterday we did have this signal, a buy signal. It went quick in our profit, but then after it went back. Quite similar to, I can't say it's quite similar, but also NASDAQ. NASDAQ did just touch our pending order, then reversed, but still we had a sell pending order. So what's really happening here? I'm expecting the market, maybe if it breaks this area as a support, I will look for a sell. If not, I'll be actually expecting the market to still push to the upside as we are on an uptrend. I hope you see that. I hope you see that. So what's really happening on US30? US30 still actually on a very nice uptrend, especially after breaking out of that stronger resistance. We had a strong resistance from this area. If you go and check back there, you will see that this area, it was a very strong resistance. Yes, we did smash the market. The market pushed up because CPI went lower. Around this area, we just had a trade, but the market just played games there. The time NASDAQ was selling, US30 was very stronger, and we did not see any sort of a crazy sell-off. But what I see here is the market is trying to create something here, but I'm still expecting to see the market pushing up, especially when the market opens. Or maybe we might see a sort of reversal, because after this crazy push, we never had enough reversal before pushing up. Or if the market plays above this, we will see if maybe the market wants to keep pushing up, or maybe we can have another buy pending order. But I'm expecting a smaller reversal before we see a push. By the way, it's Friday, so things might just go crazy, especially when we're expecting some economic news. So now we are on NASDAQ. What's really happening on NASDAQ? We can easily see that, you know what, the market is actually on an uptrend. The market is pushing to the upside. It's been pushing to the upside. Where the market is now, it seems like it's bouncing back, but we did not actually reach one of our support area, so we don't really have to jump on that. But still, the market can still bounce back. So yesterday we got it wrong. Actually, we were on this support. You can see that. So the market was moving very nice. So I thought the market was going to push the upside. But guess what? The market did push the upside. Then after started to reverse. Then it seems like now the market is creating something here. It seems like maybe the market will be reversing. I'm not so sure about that. It's better for me to wait for the market open, because sometimes we end up just guessing just because we just want to be in the trades, and that is not how the market moves. Let's wait for a proper opportunity. If we just jump on each and every opportunity that we see along the time or along the way, we will end up getting trapped in this type of moves. Then the market might still reverse to this point, to this support area, before we see another push. So let's check some economic news later on. We're going to go on our live session around 4. I'm going on Trader Nick channel. So for those who wants to be part of the team, you know what to do. If you want unlimited access or lifetime access to whatever that I'm offering, it's like $699. Yearly it's $499. Monthly is $199. So let's check what's really happening with the economic news or economic calendar. Fundamentals, guys, we have to check them every day, because by not checking economic news sometimes might be something which might make you to lose. But what I see here is it seems like we don't actually have anything. Today is Friday. Remember that. Today it's Friday, and there is nothing. There is nothing. So it means the market will be just doing whatever that it was happening yesterday, or maybe if there's changes, you will see that. So now it's pure technical analysis. It's pure technical analysis. So I hope you understand that. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So I'll see you on the next one. I'll see you later on, guys. Thank you very much. Bye.